Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, complete devastation as a family is left in mourning after a father tragically lost his life in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine Sunday night.
The vehicle he was traveling in veered off the flat bridge and plunged into the river. Divers ran to his rescue in the black of the night, but to no avail.
Here's Romano Lyons with that story.
10:41 p.m. Sunday, the driver of this van clearly slows down as two incoming vehicles approach him. Then almost halfway over the bridge, the vehicle kept going left, ultimately plunging into the Rio Cobre, which has claimed many lives in freak accidents. And judging by this video obtained by our news center, at least 30 seconds passed before anyone went to his rescue. Two drivers even crossed the bridge since, seemingly unaware of what happened mere seconds before. It's understood that the man, Noel Patterson, was a father who lived in the parish. Ultimately, these were the men who went to his rescue, desperately trying to pull him from the vehicle and out of the water, in the dark, guided by headlights from a vehicle. One man atop the vehicle, tying a cord to his foot, another still on the bridge aiding. Now, when our news team visited the scene today, the vehicle was being removed from the river. Some of the rescuers were still on the scene.
Seatbelt, kill him. Seatbelt, mash him up. Yes, so tell me. Whole power down I couldn't save him, but the seatbelt, we can't, him have to just dead and then take him out first.
Diving into the Rio Cobre to rescue individuals is the norm for them. That's why some of them are demanding help.
We can't sleep on spot. We can't turn here, you know. But you see, if we get a little pay now, everything all right. We want gears. We want money too. But we want some man where if you die the bridge, at all time can save a man. Cause whenever time is something go over there, we know the pan spot, you know. So you see, if we get paper and rotate, like say, we have a 10 away now. If bridge not empty, a man did it all the while because we know we have a PD if we get.
Meanwhile, Alfonso Grenell, manager of Grenell's driving school, says if a driver isn't familiar with the area, the recommendation is to go slow. But even with familiarity, the same caution.
You go approximately 20 to 30% less than the posted speed limit. So the speed limit is, say, 50. You should probably go 50 kilometers per hour. You should be going approximately 30 or 25, even because the more treacherous the area is, the slower you want to go. The shape of the road will cause what we call centrifugal force, which is going to actually throw the vehicle, if you're going right, the vehicle to the left because of the corner.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.